Let's take a look at how to work with interface in Kotlin. So first thing, check out your Kotlin setup. So type in Kotlin C, then space, then dash help. If you can run this command, that means you are ready to execute any Kotlin code within your system. Okay. Next thing that you should be doing is you should create one file with extension .kt. You can name it hello or sample or example. Okay. Now inside this, we are going to write keyword name interface. Then let's call it my interface. Okay. Now inside that, I'm going to create one variable test with no value and set in it for integer. Okay. Then also I'm going to create one function named hello, and it should print, let's say, hello Devnami YouTube. Okay. Now I want this interface to be implemented because by default you cannot use interface for, let's say, setting a particular value and trying to change it. So I haven't assigned any specific value within interface. I have only created one functional here, which is hello. Okay, so I'm going to implement this interface. So with class, let's say interface IMP, that is interface implementation, and here my interface. Okay, now inside this, all I'm going to do is override val test integer to have 25 value. Okay, so that's only thing possible. I can also call for this hello function, but I will do that from main function. So function main, here I'm gonna create one object. Let's just start with object that calls for this interface implementation class. So I have to use this interface IMP as a method type. Okay. Then what I'm going to do is I'm simply going to next line and call for print line and then obj dot test. Okay, so we will get that 25 value. Then also I'm going to use print line to call for object dot hello. Okay, you can also use object hello as is, and it will call for this print line statement if you want. Okay, so I'm going to test this one out, see how this double call to print line works. So let's take a look at that. Okay, now here let's type in Kotlin C, then hello.kt, and dash include dash runtime, then dash d, and then hello.jar. Okay, so let's take a look at what are these errors. Okay, so I have made a few errors here, which is integer, but it is typing interface. Okay, so don't push on those IntelliSense autocorrect. Simply keep this as is. Now let's compile again. Okay, so here you see no errors because earlier I just used IntelliSense and pushed on that interface instead of integer. So this specific error is now gone. Now all I have to do is type in Java, then dash jar, then hello.jar. This should output the value of that variable and also the message Devnami YouTube on command prompt. Also, it will output this kotlin.unit because we are basically posting this object.hello, which calls for this unit instance. So it also gets printed along with our existing string. Okay. So this was a short demo on how to create interface and how to implement that and how to call for interface elements from your main function.